po ma'am. Good afternoon. So, ito na yung DJI Neo ninyo. So, flight checklist, normal. Even the camera, controllable na. Actually, okay na. Nagawa na natin ang paraan. So, try to take off. Auto take off na lang. Yeah.
Take off.
So, yun. Messy kaya. Ayan. Power up. Ayan. Camera gimbal. Ayan. Ayan. Up and down. Ayan. So, delay lang yan. But, everything is working in flight. No error. Record. Yeah. Natin mo record. And recording 9 seconds. Rotate. Rotate natin. Ayan. So move right. Move left. Ayan. Forward. Backward. Ayan. Stop recording. Power up. Ayan. Power down. Move to the right. Move to the left. Camera, control natin up to 90 degrees down. Ayan, so 90 degrees. Up natin. Ayan. Agad. Ayan. No error. Balik natin. Ayan. So landing. Landing. Actually, pwede mo siyang kontrolin manually. Pwede rin natin i-automatic landing. Ayan. So, pag nagla-landing kayo, ma'am, tinatanong kayo lagi ng drone kung are you decided na ba na i-land siya dun sa spot. Kasi kung hindi, nangyayari, kailangan kasi elevated yung pagla-landingan niya, pantay. Kasi kung hindi, pwede siyang tumaob pag nag-landing na siya. Ayan. So, land natin. Ayan. Hold.
Landing.
Landing. Ayan. So, pag nag-landing siya, nagre-recenter yung gimbal niya. Ayan po. Any error? No error. Ayan. Checklist. Wala. So, may lumalabas na take-off caution kasi nasa loob tayo ng building. And so wala kang GPS. And so all goods lahat. Yan po. Thank you.